like to take you through on how you can come up with a Canva account, what you are required to do. So Canva allows you to come up with YouTube thumbnails, banners, logos, or any designs for free. So what you are required to do, just search for Canva, then hit enter, then open the Canva website. So when you try to open, you'll be prompted either to log in or to sign up. So for our case, we need to sign up since we don't have an account. So let us hit continue and sign up. So after signing up, let me say, oh, it is signing up. I'm sorry. I think I'm always so fast when I'm doing my things. So after signing up, you wait for close to some second, and you'll be now logged in into Canva, ready to come up with epic thumbnails, logos, and you can do a lot of things with Canva and come up with a lot of epic designs. So you'll be prompted with just a simple quiz. What do you want to be using Canva for? You can just scream either you are a student, charitable organization, personal use, but I'll just go with personal use for my case. But in your case, you can just choose where you want Canva. So I think my internet is a bit rubbish, so maybe yours it will be faster as compared to mine. So I just skip. So though you, for the customize option of Canva, you can just choose to activate it to use the premium version. Now you are in the Canva account. So in the next video, you'll be seeing how you will be coming up with YouTube thumbnails, logos, banners using Canva. So let's meet in the next video where I'll be showing you how you can come up with YouTube